Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add custom link below product title using ACF field in WooCommerce WordPress in WooCommerce archive pages like shop and category. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and now you see product title. So we are going to show custom link using ACF plugin. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin, write advanced custom field. So this is plugin advanced custom field ACF we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see ACF. So click on it. Now you see field group. So click on add new. So you can add field group title name according to your requirement. So we added custom link below product title and scroll down you see label, name, type and then you see general, validation, presentation, conditional logic. Now you see field type. Now select drop down. Also you see browse field, so click on it. So we are going to add custom link. Now you see link, so click on it and then select field. Now you see field type link. So you can add field label like custom link. So you can add name according to your requirement. Now click on it and then you see field name custom underscore link auto generated by using field label. And then you see return value link array. If you want you can add more field. But now we are going to add custom link below product title in WooCommerce archive pages. And then scroll down you see setting, location rules. Now you see show this field group if post type is equal to drop down. Now select product and then click on save changes. Now setting saved, go to shop page. Now open any product. So we are in product page and then you see edit product, so click on it. Now edit product open and scroll down. You see custom link below product title, custom link. Now select. So you can add URL and link text according to your requirement. So we added URL and then you see link text. So you can add URL and link text according to your requirement and then click on add link. Now you see link is added and then click on update. Now product updated done, but currently custom link not show in product page because we don't add any code yet. Now go to shop page and refresh the page to check. So this is our product ceramic mug. Now you don't see any custom link below product title. Now back to edit product and we are going to add custom code. Now scroll down on left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code to display custom field. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode insert header and footer we are using. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see get field and then you see link. Back to ACF plugin and scroll down you see name attribute custom underscore link. Now copy. Back to code. Now paste here. So you can add your name attribute here and then you see underscore blank. So open link in new window. If you want you can add self. Now scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. Now refresh the page. Now you see our custom text with link. Now you see Google. So click on it. Now you see open a new tab. Now close. But you see our custom link align with price. Back to code. Now scroll down you see we added class button link CSS. Now copy. So we are going to add some CSS. Go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now add class dot class. Now add width 100%. Now click on publish. Now publish done, go to shop page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see custom text, cover full width. Now here you see by using CSS. So you can customize custom text by using this class, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Just add your name attribute here for custom link. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.